Chinese products are unfairly referred as inferior in quality. Hence, there's a connotation made in China. It's a generalization based on consumer experiences with several Chinese products. But mind you, most products around, including those so called branded ones, were made in Chinese cities. That's why there's a praise coin after it. If God creates the world, then the rest are made in China. Today's video tries to answer the question how durable the products of a Chinese leading brand Xiaomi. Una sa lahat, mag-subscribe muna kayo sa aking channel para suportahan ito. You may also join this channel as a member to avail of exclusive perks like priority in comments reply and early access or exclusive access to some videos for members only.
Wow.
You can also help fund some projects here by sharing super thanks. We may have different experiences on Xiaomi products. This video is all about my own experience as a Xiaomi product user for years. I've been buying and using Xiaomi products for over 4 years now, and I already have over 40 Xiaomi devices, the bulk of which are for my kitchen and home security and automation. So I have the smallest Xiaomi device, a sensor, to the biggest like the air purifier. This can be classified as kitchen electronics, home security, home automation, environment, lighting, personal care, wearables, other electronics, and non-electronic items. Of course, I must admit, not all of these are running and in good condition. However, only few are not functioning as of now. Also, I repaired a few of these Xiaomi devices. First to underwent repair in less than a year after purchase was the dish dryer. I had to replace the busted heating element of the dryer to keep it heating my dishes. The problem with the dish dryer is it is using nichrome wire as its heating element. And this nichrome wire is prone to damage due to overheating in the long run. So I replaced the nichrome wire not only twice but several times already. My two automatic soap dispensers have already been sidelined after I failed to repair it. It malfunctioned after a year of using it. I've been using for almost 2 years now the Pro version of the Xiaomi soap dispenser. Also sidelined is one of my flood or water leak sensors, the Mi Flood detector. It's not functioning normally after just a few days of testing it. My Mi Repeater 2 could not update to the latest firmware, although the repeater is in operation right now. My Cube extension outlet has a little damage after an inferior made in China adapter plug attached to it got burned without me noticing it just a few weeks ago. After over 2 years, I also repaired the damaged AC cord of the induction cooker. The cord got cut off due to wear and tear last year. There was a time last year when this magnetic mount 2K camera stopped recording on the SD card, and early this year it was fixed on its own without my intervention, probably by a software update from Xiaomi. One of the oldest Xiaomi devices I have, the 360 1080p camera, had trouble early this year. I tried opening it, but my assessment was it could no longer be repaired. Although the temporary solution to its problem is to restart the camera every time and it works normal again. The latest malfunctioning Xiaomi device I bought was the CW300 outdoor camera, which had problems on connecting via LAN and to my router. I returned the camera to the seller, so it's no longer part of my inventory. In summary, I only have 3 Xiaomi devices that are not functioning, these 2 automatic soap dispensers, and this Mi Flood detector. So the failure rate of my Xiaomi devices is only at about 4%. Speaking of durability, Xiaomi uses durable and fire retardant materials on most of its products. Consider the damage of this extension outlet. Had the material of this device is not fire retardant, then I would have had fire on my desk. This automatic folding umbrella may look simple to you. The cloth here is made of a UV resistant fabric material. to help protect us from the heat of the sun. Xiaomi also collaborated with other companies for other products like this smart smoke detector, which is branded Xiaomi Honeywell, and most of you probably knew Honeywell. This precision screwdriver has an award-winning design, hence it has some knockoffs sold also online. This looks simple, but it is crafted in collaboration with Wiha, a German company known for manufacturing quality hand tool. The material of its screw bits here is S2 steel, the same steel used in chisels and hammers. What I like most on Xiaomi products, it got tested by independent laboratories in China before mass production and eventually reaching the market. Take for example the air purifier for light of Xiaomi. If you scroll down to the bottom of this page on me.com, you'll see here some footnotes on the various aspects of the air purifier being tested by several laboratories. This confirms Xiaomi's claims on their products. And also, Xiaomi got a certification for this product from an international authority in testing, TUV Rhineland. It's the Allergy Care certification on Xiaomi's Air Purifier 4 series. According to TUV in their press release in 2022, and I quote, "Products with an allergy care certificate from TUV Rhineland clean the air of common indoor allergens such as pollen, dust mites, and animal hair." In actual use, my personal experience with Xiaomi products is satisfying. If it's not, then I would have had stopped long time ago buying their products. Of course, there are feedbacks from consumers on malfunctioning Xiaomi devices. You're not alone, as I've said in this video, but malfunctioning devices is just normal. One tip I can recommend, buy only global versions of Xiaomi products because the early version of these products, which were Chinese versions, were tested in the local Chinese consumers or market. So all of the issues in the Chinese versions were already identified and rectified before a global version is released. I have a tip on how to identify a Xiaomi product, whether it is a global or a Chinese version, in this video. Except for the smoke detector, all of the products I mentioned here have its own review video. I'll put the links in the description. Have time to watch it. Daghang salamat.